All right, I'm back. Okay, back to the to the old grind. Okay, I went upstairs. Looked like the rain had stopped. I came downstairs. It's still like this. Okay, now I got my camera sideways now. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. So what's next now? All right. You know what, y'all? This is a this is this is a relevant rainy day. You know, very very irrelevant, I guess. You know, so if you don't have to be out, please, whatever you do, stay your butt home. Okay, if you gotta go to work, go your butt to work. Okay, if you're off, stay your butt home, or should I say it like this? Stay your booty home. So do me a favor and drive carefully. Okay. Yep. So drive carefully, y'all. Okay. So 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 anyway, do y'all think this gonna turn into snow? Let's see if it'll turn into snow. Y'all you know we'll have to see. You know, the bus had just passed. You know, I saw the glimpse of the bus. You know, Diaka Starks, how you doing? If you watching, okay, if you ever watch, you know, Diaka might cry for mentioning her name, cry tears of joy. You know, oh, he mentioned my name. Well, I'm gonna mention Tanya's name too. Okay, how you doing, Tanya? I don't know if you're watching this show or not. It's probably 2, 3, or 4 years from now. You know, doing the show in the rain. Well, I'm not necessarily in the rain. I'm on my porch. You know, doing my show on the porch. Okay, so the way I'm thinking about it, I'm doing my weather report. You know, icy rain. You know, so some people say it's going to turn into snow. So will it turn into snow? No. Will it turn into snow? Yes. Who knows what it's going to turn into? You know. So oh look, somebody driving fast. Slow your roll, whoever you are. You know. So anyway, some people be like, oh, I wish I could cuddle with somebody. Well, guess what? Ain't no need to wish for that, you know. So, what that is? Never mind what that is. Hmm. Hmm. I hope my best friend ain't expecting visitors today on a day like this. Hmm. She probably on her phone watching this or whatever. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just doing my weather report. You know. Hmm. So this is this is cold as a cucumber, and you know it well I would say it felt like the North Pole, you know, but guess what? At the North Pole it's below zero, you know. Yep. When this man say it's below zero, you know. Yep. In the negatives, you know. I guess in the negatives, you know. If I could say in the negatives, you know. So while it's storming and stuff like that, no hurricane or whatever. Look at the trees is okay, you know. Uh huh. That's why I don't like no trees around, you know, cause you know when a tree fall during the storm, you in danger. Make sure a tree fall it'll fall on you and kill you, you know. So Sometimes it's not good to have a tree in your backyard. You know, sometimes it's not good having a tree in your backyard. You know, I really hate trees, honestly. You know, so who else gonna be watching this weather report? You know, because if it was summertime, I'll be playing in the rain. But unfortunately, it's winter time. You know, you plan on rain during winter time. You'll catch a cold, catch pneumonia, catch whatever you might catch. You know, sometimes a pneumonia is curable. Sometimes depends on how you are. Depends on your immune system. You know, I don't know my immune system, ladies and gentlemen. Show my face. As I was saying, I don't know my immune system, ladies and gentlemen. You know. Oh, I'm just looking around. Okay. As it continue to rain, yep. Continue to ice rain. Am I looking at ice right now? So I don't know if this place going if this whole street gonna turn into black ice or what? Cause y'all know black ice is dangerous. You know. So here in Louisiana, you never know. You never know what the hell could happen. You know. When you come out, dress warm, please. Okay. So I mean, maybe they're having snowflakes in the raindrops or something. You know. Well, it's just freezing rain because on the news yesterday and day before yesterday and all that, it was it looked like there was a snowflake in the raindrop. You know. So y'all know if I was you know, whatever the heck I'm trying to say, you know. So after me filming a pothole on Miro and or wherever, you know, I'm talking about Miro close to Franklin, you know. So hmm. so so anyway, and and somebody named Kim Mosher was watching. I haven't seen us since 2011, I do believe. You know. Yep. Beautiful Kim Mosher. You know. What not she doing? You know. She don't live in the Barry no more, as far as I know. I don't even know where she live at. You know. Even if I know where she live at, I wouldn't. I wouldn't say. I wouldn't tell the world where she live at. You know. I don't want nobody going and look for her. You know. And my friend Kirsten, how did you enjoy your birthday, beautiful? You know, I know you had fun, sweetie pie. Thank you for introducing me to Tanya. You know, if it weren't for you, me and Tanya wouldn't have never met. We would have never gotten so close because of you, Kirsten. You know, should I say her full name? Kirsten Davis. Yeah, Kirsten Davis. Yeah. Well, she might message me in my inbox and tell me don't never say her full name. You know, Kirsten, I love her though. You know, she a sweetheart. You know, I met her at Walmart. You know, just like I met Tanya at Walmart. You know, but I hope all y'all are safe. Not just Tanya and Kirsten, every last one of y'all. You know, even my Facebook friends that's here in Louisiana or wherever you at. You know, I got people from up north watch my show. You know, I don't know who else watched the Domino 7 show. You know, I don't know. You know, hmm. Hmm. So, all that little, ain't that something, yo? I know they ain't had no damn party around here, you know? Huh. So, yes indeed, yo. All right. Wintry rain. Yep. Doing this in wintry rain. And it's slacked up. It's slacking up right now. I guess it ain't gonna snow at all. Ain't that something? It ain't gonna snow at all. You know what? Maybe I should go inside and fix me some hot cocoa, rich chocolate Ovaltine. That's what I think I'm gonna drink. You know. Have y'all ever tried rich chocolate Ovaltine? I know I did. You know. Oh well. Goodbye. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. Wait. All right. Wait a minute. Let's see how this person driving. All right. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live. Eventually on YouTube. Okay. So anyway, I'm about to go drink me some, fix me some rich chocolate Ovaltine. All right. Goodbye. Be careful. Domino's son will definitely be careful. I ain't going nowhere at all. All right. So that's all I gotta say. All right. Goodbye.